Hello, how do I use chart tools like arrows and color codes? Um, a swing trading platform might have a lot of tools, so you just have to play with tools there, check them out to see which one you like based on the strategy you are using. For the strategies that I'm using, I use very few tools from this swing trading platform. Because I don't trade on it, I only use it for chart analysis. I use the drawing tools. So you can see it at the top, and that is think of swing platform. And once you start using it, you will see it at the bottom. So I like to use the trend line so that I can trace my support lines, and make my analysis based on that. I use the arrow. Once you click on a drawing tool, it will show there. I use the arrow to place on the chart. When I make a purchase, I will place arrows on it. So today we are going to analyze MKL as of February 28, 2026. So we have MKL here. I don't see any arrow on it. So that tells me that I never swing traded before. But we have those color code line tells me that I analyze it for swing trading purposes already. So I use the arrow and I will place arrows where I purchase stocks and where I sold stocks. I put arrows there as well. That way when I'm looking at the chart, I know that, oh, I purchased this stock here, and as I'm looking, when I sold it, I will put arrow there as well. So I use those arrow tools quite a bit, and the trend line drawing tools. I use color as well. For instance, when I'm tracing my support lines, the one that I like to buy at, I like to color code it so that it's different from the the other support lines that I trace on the chart. So to do that, I like to usually just go to AD property, and I can just select the color that I want for the line. So having this line, that color, I know that I trace those support line for 2025 swing trading purposes, and the teal colors is the support lines that I trace for 2026 swing trading. So that tells me that I analyze those stocks again and I pick them for 2026, and those are the lines that I like to buy at. And if I kept the red line, it means those red lines I still agree with them. But if I'm tracing new support line, I will be tracing them in teal. So that means that that was an additional support line that I like to buy this stock at. Let's go back to monthly daily chart here, maximum daily chart. But we have this support line here that is supporting the upside wall of the mountain that is claiming. But I know that it's not necessarily the valid line. It could be the support line supporting the upside wall of the mountain that is claiming. So I'll have those, but I like to color code the support line or the valid line that I like to buy at, so that it's easy for me when I'm analyzing stocks. I know that here is where I wanted to buy, and then I can compare the price to where the price is right now to where I wanted to buy, to see if it's time for me to place an order or not. Talking about MKL, it's not a time to buy because it's close to the top of the mountain where it's coming from and nowhere near where I want to buy it yet. Those are the tools that I use, and those tools, let me change this back to the trend line. And those tools, you can activate them and keep extending them, and you can edit the property and change the color and change the styles or the thickness of them as well. But those are just things that I do. But you have time, when you have time, and you can set it as a default. But when you have time, you can play around with those tools to see which other tools your platform offers that you are interested in, that it can help you, you know, do your analysis. And if you are using some tools that you find too busy for your screen when you're analyzing the chart, you can take them out. But just by trying, you will see what you like and what you don't like, because you might like something and use it that I may not use. So there are, you know, different tools out there. We talked about the style of the chart before. As well, that, you know, and that is another tool as well. It's not a drawing tool, but is a tool as well. The chart, in the type of chart it is. In addition to that, I use the drawing tools to mark the chart. And because I'm using this swing trading platform and I have an account, when you have just an account, Thinkorswim platform is free for you to use. And when you log in, it just saves those marks you are putting on the chart. That way you can use those marks. They are there for future references for you. And if you don't like something you put on it, you can just remove it as well. But you know, they have, you know, those things that I never used that feature before. And I think in some way it might work. That way you won't have to keep extending it if it's going to be extending it for you, as you know, the chart is moving forward. You don't have to activate it and extend it yourself. But yeah, those are the tools, the drawing tools I use it a lot. And I particularly, and within the drawing tool, I use the arrow and the trend line. But there is other tools in it as well that you might find useful. Don't open that door, I'm recording. That you might find useful in it as well. You just have to, you know, look around to see what you are interested in, what you think might be useful for your swing trading strategy, and just, you know, play around with them to see what you like, what you don't like, and you just, every time you just stick with the tools that you like. I don't look around much, but I'm sure there is some cool features with this platform, Thinkorswim platform, that could be useful. But so far, I only use those few. And MKL is not ready for me to buy yet. Thank you so much for your time. We thank you for all your comments. Thank you for watching our videos, and we thank you very much for subscribing to our channel. I'm Afiavi Liberman, Codes of Liberman Consulting L.L.C YouTube channel, and ninasoap.com our blog. On our channel and on our blog, we share different ways to save money and different ways to make money to reach your financial independence, where you do not depend on an employer to provide for your family. And swing trading is one way to make money. Just start small and grow your account from there. For more videos in this series, will you please check the playlist How to Start Swing Trading Step by Step Using a Long Uptrend. And we do have other swing trading related playlists in the description of this video as well. Thank you for your time. Happy swing trading.